What's up, my flawless skin gang? How you all doing? Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to pro mix stretch mark cream or stretch mark remover cream using two creams, and that's the Cool or Q stretch mark remover cream and the Escabel Escabel body lotion, the snail body lotion. So I have other ingredients that I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to lay them out for you guys to see. Okay, so I have my rose hip oil. I also have my Whitening Perfect Leg stage 2. This is the stage 2, the Whitening Perfect Leg. I have my skin free milk. I don't know what I'll do without this product. It's almost gone, but yeah, we're good. So I have my skin free milk. I have my Alpha Arbuthin 3+. I'm actually going to use Alpha Arbuthin. I was going to use the powder, but I changed my mind and I'm using this. It's as effective as well. And I have my vitamin E oil, a vitamin C capsule, which I'm going to puncture to get the oil inside. I have my miracle powder. This product is just as good as its name. And I'm also going to be adding my aloe vera gel, but I forgot to bring it out here, so I'm going to add my aloe vera gel. And I'm also going to be adding I'm going to be adding my salicylic acid here, the powder. And yeah, so first of all, we have my mixing bowl. This is my beautiful mixing bowl. So I have my mixing bowl here, and I'm just going to start pouring in my creams. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to turn on my I forgot to record where I was pouring in the Cool stretch mark remover cream. So I put in 200 ml of the Cool stretch mark cream because I'm trying to get roughly 600 ml. So I'm going to add 200 of stretch mark remover cream, the Cool stretch mark remover cream, and then the Escabel I'm going to add 200 as well. So I'm just going to go off camera and scale this to make sure that we have 400 ml of our base cream here. Our base cream being the Escabel snail body lotion and the Cool stretch mark remover cream. So I'm just going to go off camera, do my measurements, and be sure that I have my base cream in good measurements. Okay, I'm back. So my scale says we are good to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate the other ingredients. So first I'm going in with my skin free milk. I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of my skin-free milk, which is roughly what I have in here because I've been doing this too long and moving on, I'm going to add in my rosewood oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. That's basically roughly the 2 cover. I'm going to add in my Shiny Perfect Lake. I'm using remember that Shiny Perfect Lake, the cover is quite deep, so like I said, use your appropriate measurements. I say use 2 tablespoons. I didn't say do exactly as I do, okay? Just to make sure that we're on the same page, I'm going to go in with my Alpha Arbutin. I'm going to go in with my Alpha Arbutin. Fortunately, the drop is not coming out, so I'm just going to add in about 2 tablespoons of Alpha Arbutin. Next, I'm adding in my miracle powder. Just need a pinch of the miracle powder, just a little drop. Okay, that should do it. And then my DIY whitening powder, this whitening oil rather. This oil is very, very effective. So it is going to help with the stretch mark scarring on the outside. So I'm just going to put about 10 grams. DIY carrot oil, it's also whitening oil. I'm going to use that and that. Oops, sorry, it can be clumsy sometimes, bear with me. This is also my DIY whitening powder, whitening oil. I'm also going to be adding about 30 grams. 10 grams of that. So that will help with the outside look. And then last but not least, I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. Okay, I'm adding about 6 capsules. So I'm just going to take my scissors and nip the top oil in. I'm going to do the same thing for all 6 of them. Nip the top, oil in, and then I told you I was going to add in my aloe vera gel. So this is my aloe vera gel. This is the aloe vera gel I'm using Vit Gold aloe vera gel. Just going to add in 2 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel. Then my friend is here. This is my friend because he brings everything. Okay, so now we're going to blend everything together and we'll be onto a perfect stretch mark free skin. So you want to make sure to blend everything together and so you have a smooth cream. Now that we have our stretch mark cream ready, I'm just going to pour this into my clean storage container. Now, if you're going to be selling this product, I tell you this is very good. It works very, very good. If you have python oil, you can put it in, or snake oil, you can put it in. If you can stand the smell, well, I can stand the smell now. I can't stand the smell. So we're just going to pour this into our clean container. I have washed it, cleaned it out, and now I'm just going to pour this mixture into our container, and voila, we have it. So here we have it. This pretty bottle or cup has an inner lid. Just cover it. Take the cover. Voila! There you have your stretch mark remover cream. This cream is very effective and very, very good for your skin. Thank you very much for staying on to this time. Please subscribe.